Greetings, discreet defenders. It's time for an unboxing video, preferably without accidentally doxing myself. So I've cut my address off the label, but other than that, the box is unopened. You can see this does contain bullets. SG Ammo, ordered them a week ago. Again, very fast service from SG Ammo. I am most impressed. That's twice so far this summer that they've come through in a very timely fashion. Now let's see what we have here. Oh wow, lovingly packaged, shrink wrapped. 3 different types of ammunition for 2 different calibers. Well, 3 really. 38 Special, 38 plus P, and 327 Federal. Now, what you're going to get out of this is several different comparison videos. This, of course, is 100 grain 327 Federal American Eagle ammo. Jacketed soft point for the old LCR and 327 Federal. And we'll be pitting that ammunition against the gold dots in 327 Federal. Also a 100 grain round. A little bit different design. Deep hollow point. Next up, we'll be pitting the Corbon 125 grain jacketed hollow point in 38 Special plus P against the Underwood 125 grain gold dot projectile. And we'll show these here quick. Just give a quick comparison of these 2 different types of ammunition. They're both pretty high power 38 Special, but the Corbon is a little softer shooting. They call it the hot stuff, the original hot stuff. So it's still pretty powerful compared with your typical big brand 38 Special. But we will compare those 2 different bullet designs and get you some short barrel velocities from the 38 Special LCR. And we'll test the Corbons for penetration and expansion in a denim and gel test. So that's going to be interesting. And finally, some Privy Partisan 130 grain full metal jacket 38 Special target ammunition, which we will put up against some 130 grain Fiocchi full metal jacket 38 Special target ammunition. Take a look at that here briefly. Really similar rounds. We'll test them for a variety of different things that you test range ammo for. Powder fouling, velocity, consistency, accuracy, that sort of thing. All right. Thanks, folks. Dave with DDR out.